Coca-Cola stock just surged 5% to an all-time high of $88 after beating Q2 earnings and raising full-year guidance. It was Coke's single best trading day in over 5 years. We ran the 30-year monthly FSR to see how predictable this legendary mega cap really is. Their quarterly numbers were stellar across the board. Organic revenue grew 6%, unit volume rose 5%, and earnings per share jumped 16% to $1.03, driven heavily by massive World Cup marketing activations and double-digit growth in Coca-Cola Zero Sugar. Management officially raised full-year organic revenue guidance to 5%. Even with a 26 trailing PE ratio, institutional money flooded in today. Looking at the 30-year monthly chart on top, Coke scores an overall score of 27%. Don't let that raw score fool you. Look at the structural trend. Price has climbed methodically from $15 to $88. Now look at the bottom graph. The average rolling FSR sits at a high 87%. Across 30 years, whenever the rolling stability drops toward the 75 baseline, like we saw in older market transitions, it consistently recovers right back into the 90% to 95% stability range. Today's massive breakout to $88 fits right along the top boundary of that 30-year expansion channel. Cola remains one of the most reliable long-term compounding assets on the market. A 5% single-day jump on a $380 billion dividend giant is rare, but the structural data confirms the momentum is fully intact. Full tool at predictability-api.com. Link is in the description. Thanks for stopping by. We'll catch you in the next one.